Let me ask you something real quick. When you see a long website like on flyer, business card or poster, do you actually type in? I believe most people don't. Think about it. You are walking out of a coffee shop in Chicago, you grab a flyer for a local event and it says visit our website https://www.buddybrew.com. Be honest, are you going to open your phone and carefully type that whole thing? Probably not. Now imagine a clothing brand trying to promote their website everywhere. For example, take a clothing merch store like birdsinthhair.com. They are selling hoodies, t-shirts and merchandise online and they want people to visit the store. So they start putting their website everywhere, business card, posters, at local events, even their Instagram bio. The link looks simple enough, birdsinthhair.com, but hardly anyone is visiting it. People would say things like, yeah, we'll check it out later, but later never comes, as you know. Some people typed it wrong, some forget about it, most people just move on. And the worst part, the brand has no idea if any of their marketing is actually working. They are printing flyers, promoting events and sharing links online, but there is no real way to track who's actually visiting the site. And it feels like throwing money into a black hole until they made one simple change. Instead of putting a normal website link everywhere, they replaced it with a QR code, and not just any QR code, a dynamic one. That simple change completely transformed how people interact with the website. More website visits, better engagement and actual data showing what was working. So in this video, I will show you exactly how this QR tool works and why businesses are switching to it, and how you can use it to replace boring links with something far more powerful. The real problem with normal links, before we talk about the solution, we need to understand the problem. Regular links are passive, they just sit there and hope someone takes the time to type them. But in today's world, as you know, especially in the US where everything is about speed and convenience, people expect things to happen instantly, and that's where QR code comes in. Instead of typing anything, someone simply opens their camera, scans, and they are instantly on your page. No typing, no mistakes, no friction. But not all QR codes are created equal. The real power comes from dynamic QR code, which allow you to edit and track everything behind the scenes. And that's exactly what this tool provides. How the tool works, the first thing you notice when you open the platform is how clean the interface is. Look at this, no complicated menus and no confusing setup. And the step one is simple. Choose the type of QR code you want to create. For example, you can create QR code for website, PDFs, videos, images, app downloads, Wi-Fi connections, feedback forms, and even digital contact cards, that is V-cards. For example, the birdsinthhair.com store could use QR codes to drive traffic directly to our product pages. Instead of handing out cards with a type link, they could print a small QR code on them. And when someone scans it, the store opens instantly on their phones. No typing, no lost visitors, and no frictions. And customization that make it look professional. One thing people don't realize about QR code is that they don't have to look boring. Platform lets you customize them completely. You can change colors, frames, shapes, add your logo, add scan prompts like scan me. For example, a clothing brands like birdsinthhair.com could customize their QR codes to match their brand colors and even add their logo in the center. And it only takes a few minutes and the results looks far more professional than a standard black and white QR code. The features that changes everything, that is dynamic QR codes. And this is where things get really powerful, because traditional QR codes are static. Once you created them, they can't be changed. But with dynamic QR code, you can update the destination anytime. For example, imagine the birdsinthhair.com store launching a new hoodie collection. They print QR codes on flyer that lead to the product page, but later they decide to update the promotion or change the product page. Normally that would mean reprinting everything, total chaos. But instead they simply log into a dashboard, change the link, and instantly the same QR code points to the updated page. That simply means no reprinting, no wasted marketing materials, and that kind of flexibility makes a huge difference for business running campaigns, product launches, or promotions. Another huge benefit is analytics. With someone links printed on flyer or posters, you have no idea who actually visited them. But with dynamic QR codes, you get real data. The dashboard shows things like total scans, unique visitors, locations, device used, scan time. For example, a store like birdsinthhair.com could see which cities their scans are coming from and which marketing materials are performing best. And that insight helps them optimize their campaigns and focus on what actually works. And once you created a QR code, exporting it is really very easy. You can download it as PNG for printing, SVG for large designs, JPG for quick digital use. A clothing brand like birdsinthhair.com could place these codes everywhere, on event posters, on product packaging, inside social media graphics, even on presentation slides. The biggest advantage here is simplicity. Instead of asking someone to remember a website, you just say scan the code and they are there instantly. Now another reason this tool is popular is the pricing. Instead of complicated plans, you can start with just a 7-day trial for just $1. And that gives you access to all the main features, including custom QR designs, dynamic editing, analytics tracking, multiple export formats. And after a trial, you can continue with the quarterly or yearly plans depending on what you need. For businesses that rely on marketing materials, the cost is small compared to the value it provides. So that's it. If you're still putting long website links on flyers, posters, or business cards, you are probably losing a lot of potential traffic. People prefer the fastest option, and right now scanning a QR code is the best and easiest way to move someone from offline to online instantly. So if you want to try it yourself, head over to the site, start a $1 trial, create your first dynamic QR code and see how it's worked. The link in the description too. And you might surprise how quickly people start scanning. And if you find this video is helpful, drop a comment below and tell me what link would you replace with a QR code first. And finally, before going, hit that red subscribe button and that like button. And if you have any questions, doubt, or curious related to this video and regarding this tool, then definitely let me know in the comments too. And if you want to learn more about AI tool like this, then definitely go and watch this video now, and I will be waiting there.